Hey, welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we're going to do something just a little bit different. I'm going to take you Alaska wheeling like we usually do, but we're going to go on a different trail. And this time, we're going to do it overnight. Overlanding overnight in the Humvee. And I'm doing this trip with Cooper from Alaska Lifestyle. Hey, Cooper, you want to tell us a little bit about your Jeep and a little bit about your channel?
Yeah, sure. We're driving a 2000 Jeep TJ. It's got 1-ton axles, 40-inch tires. We are with Alaska Lifestyle on YouTube. We're going to be posting a video as well of this winter wheeling camping adventure that we went on with Chris. It's an awesome time out here.
All right, so come along for the ride. We're going to start out with a group of a lot of the 4x4s that we normally go out with. And we're going to go up, ride with them, check out a few places, and then find a spot that'll be good for the night. We both have diesel heaters that we installed on these things. This will be the first all-night trial using the onboard batteries and stuff, so really excited about it. Stick around to the end, see how this turns out, and let's start from the beginning. Good morning. We are rolling out. Grab some coffee, get ready to take this show on the road. Yeah, we have to start our off-road adventures getting some coffee at Perk Up. Tires chained up, filthy dirty and soaking wet. We haven't even started the adventure. Rolling on, trailhead, here we go. All right, see ya. So this is camp for the night. Cooper's getting all set up, and I'm kind of leveled out here We've got Frog Pond right out here. It's frozen. It's beautiful. Got a pretty good breeze coming off the pond. So I'm blocking here with it. He's blocking there with it. We can try to make the most of this fire. Yeah, gonna get settled in. It's a little bit before 6 p.m. Get some dinner, spend some time together, get these heaters fired up, see if we can stay warm tonight. Biscuits and gravy.
Nice. Breakfast for dinner.
Hey, it's snowing. I'd love to have a dusting of snow on everything in the morning, but probably not gonna happen.
I mean, it was calling for a little bit of snow, but yeah, kind of depends on. We hit like 40 degrees on the way up here when we were in Palmer, at least from what my truck said.
Freezing cold.
Really?
Like standing over there with the wind getting the sound.
Oh yeah,
chilled.
I was chilled too.
Now we're warm back up.
We are Alaska winter camping right now.
It's true. We're entitled to be cold.
Yeah.
I just don't want to say cold and miserable, just cold.
Right.
I'm gonna find out if the diesel heater starts back up.
I can see my breath now.
Oh, it's that cold, I know. Yeah, this is indicating that it's showing 1 degree Celsius on the front temp sensor. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light. Been a great day of wheeling, great day of hanging out with folks here. It's a beautiful location here. This is Frog Pond. It's absolutely gorgeous. Boy, you can hear the wind just whipping out there. Gonna go ahead and get wrapped up in the sleeping bag here and call it a night. See you guys in the morning. Good morning from Humvee, Alaska Frog Pond. 6 a.m. Alaska. Made it through the bulk of the night. It'll stay dark here outside until probably around 8:39, 9 a.m. before we start seeing some what looks like 6 a.m. probably wherever you are. It's nice in here. It's really, really nice. We had some honey inside, staying warm in the truck, like honey in the coffee.
Yeah,
Just,
I mean that was kind of the purpose of coming out and doing this, was not only for fun but for testing it out.
Yeah.
So if this is going to be something that we want to do on a regular basis.
If I was 12, I would have just done it in my driveway,
Right.
Been like, hey mom, I'm going camping in the driveway.
Yeah. All right, see you in a few hours.
Yeah, exactly. She'd have some cookies or something going on in there, and
Yeah.
like, I think, okay, I'm gonna come and just check on you, mom. Make sure you're doing okay.
Make sure you're okay, Mom.
Yeah. It smells like eggs and sausage, and I don't know what you think. It looks like breakfast. I'm all about breakfast. All right, I'm gonna give this a, if 10 was awesome and 0 was puke, I'm gonna give it a 4.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's not that good.
Yeah, the skillet mashups are hit or miss, I think.
This was our camping spot last night. How awesome is this? Beautiful frozen lake. Hills, mountaintop views. This is just an amazing, epic spot. There are mushrooms all over the place. It's starting to come down. Alright, we're getting ready to fire them all up. Alright, we're going to put this fire out and get them cranked up. We're going to go ahead and do a cold start on the Humvee. Everybody wants to know how they start up in the cold. So wait for the wait light. And here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm going to leave the diesel heater running for a little while. Might as well just heat up the cab. And I think, other than putting the fire out, I think we'll start rolling out of here. All right, we're back at the trailhead and I'm gonna get these chains off. They worked amazingly, absolutely amazing. Very happy with them. I did do these bungees and they stayed on, all of them. Total game changer. Gonna bust these off, get my mirrors turned back out, head back home. Diesel heater worked amazing. You can see the amount of fuel that we used here now. And the battery back there was absolutely perfect. Few tweaks that I would do on this going forward, but overall extremely happy. I'm ready to do some more winter camping. We're going to just make this more comfortable, make it better and better next time. So I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.